So let me show you how to do it step by step. After you open the Binance like this now, go to asset at bottom right side and then go to deposit. So from the deposit section, now go and search for USDT, or you can find the USDT in like this one. After you select the USDT, now go and select the network. So choose this BNB network. So now tap on this copy address. After you copy the address like this one, now go back and go to the wallet section. Now tap on this wallet section. After you come to wallet, now go to asset in the wallet. After you come to asset in the wallet, then scroll to down and find the USDT. So here is USDT. After you select the USDT, so now make sure you choose this BNB chain at the top. So if you want to change to another network, just go ahead and choose the network. And for me, I'll go with this BNB and then tap on this send button. So here it will ask you to paste in the address that you copy. Just tap on this option and then tap on this paste button. After you paste in the address, tap on this done button. So after you tap on the done button, now tap on this continue. So after you come to this continue, all you have to do now, just go ahead now and specify the amount you want to send. Let's say I want to send 20 or 200. After you type in the amount you want to send, just tap on this continue button. From there, it will be transferred into your wallet. And that's it, guys.